What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Rndr. I'm back again, as most of you know. I know that a lot of you actually hold/trade Rndr, and I like to analyze it sometimes, and definitely when it's bullish. I mean, here we've seen quite a lot of bullish momentum basically since Wednesday evening. Got a bullish breakout right here above 1.4, and it was trying to, which seems to have failed, but it's a bit early to tell. But it was trying to break above 1.5 right here. So I just wanted to make an update. I wanted to voice my opinion, give you my opinion on what's next from here and what's possible for Rndr, and just in general where this bullish momentum is coming from. So that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that though, I do want to mention briefly that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals. So for example, if I would take a trade on Rndr, I would share it as well. But apart from that, you also gain access to a chat room full of traders, which is very valuable, and my trading guides for if you want to learn how to analyze like me. But for now, let's get into Rndr. So first of all, I must say, unless I missed any news, but I think this bullish momentum for Rndr is a bit manipulated. And I'll still support that a little bit later, but I do want to quickly check their Twitter if I did not miss anything. I don't think so. Like I don't see any big news right here. It would be advertised a bit more, I think. And the proof I have for manipulation is this: a lot of volume is coming from BTC Turk, which is usually somewhat of a manipulated exchange, Top Credit and Super X. So therefore, I think it's a bit manipulated. Like the volume is great, and obviously the bullish momentum for Bitcoin also helped. But apart from that, there's no clear reason for why it would be so bullish. So right now, the big question is will Rndr be able to break above its main resistance, which is 100% 1.5. 1.5, as you can see, is in the middle of this bigger key area. It's a psychological level. The 200 EMA is there, so altogether that's a very strong resistance level, and it's pretty remarkable that Rndr has actually been able to not fall lower than this. But the thing is that with this last candle right here, Rndr seems to have broken down below some sort of a key level right here. There's a lot of key levels like between 1.47 and 1.48. Which makes it hard to distinguish if one of those levels has actually been broken. But yeah, right now it's hard. I mean, I would say the most likely scenario, that's also just based on Bitcoin being more likely to fall right here. I would say the most likely scenario is that Rndr will respect the technicals, will respect the market direction and market structure, and that we will see some sort of a conclusive bearish breakout below 1.45, which is a minor key level. And after that, continue down towards 1.4 again, and then slowly down towards its lower bounds around 1.34 and 1.33. That looks most likely right now, but like I said, I mean, if it's really manipulated, it can really go both ways. So like I said, there's this little support level right here, which I'll actually put on the chart for you. There's this little support level here, around 1.45, and I would say right now you can also just make it a bit easier for yourself and see Rndr as this, so that it's basically in a box between 1.45 and 1.5. I would say due to market circumstances and due to the direction of Rndr in general, it's more likely that 1.45 will fill, and then that will slowly drop down towards 1.32. But it's better to wait for confirmation. So from here, it's still very much possible as well that Rndr breaks above 1.5. And if it breaks above 1.5 on the 4-hour time frame, it will get up towards 1.6, 1.62. And from there, we'll see again. I'll be back with a new update. But for now, that's really the easy way to look at it if you don't want to have a bias, if you just want to react to the price. But like I said, these are just my thoughts on Rndr. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.